2018 Audi A5. So it's been a while since I've shown you guys this, and since there's quite a few new subscribers who probably haven't looked back at my old videos, I'm going to show you something here that to prevent vacuum leaks, you go around this outer circumference, and let's see if we could get in there. You go on the outside edge, not the inside, because the O-ring seals right out here. And this is where your O-ring scrapes against. And by applying some nylog or dielectric grease, silicone grease, you make a seal that vacuum cannot pull through and leak. If you have slightly damaged or scratched O-rings, this will help so you don't have those little micro leaks that ruin your vacuum. And this will also prolong, if you have good O-rings, this will prolong the life of your O-rings. So this is something that you definitely do, and you only have to do it, say, about every 5 or 6 vehicles, and it'll nicely lubricate your O-rings that are located down. If you see that black O-ring down in there, that's the part that scrapes against. As it goes over that shaft and it threads down, it pulls the O-ring down over that tube, over that metal right there, the outer shaft. It pulls and it scrapes, the O-ring scrapes down. So if that outer shaft area is slightly corroded, rough, dirty, it scrapes and puts micro scratches in your O-ring, and eventually your tool becomes the source of your leak. So always clean these off, and every 5 or 6 lubricate them, and that will keep the O-ring nice and lubricated so it has a nice long life. All right, that's it. Just a quick video on nylog. If you go to TruTech Tools website, there's many air conditioning and vacuum products and refrigerant gauges at TruTech Tools, and you can pick this up from them. They're like my absolute #1 most trusted source for buying refrigeration and air conditioning tools. All right, guys, I see you.